business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.